Jining, Tonlita Machinery Company Limited, established in 2006, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of spider cranes, skid steer loaders, aerial work platform, forklifts, telehandler, and mini excavators. We are located in Jining, Shandong Province with convenient transportation access. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design quality control and inspection and company running. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system, which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got CE certificates. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Committed to delivering stable and superior quality construction machinery manufactured in China, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as North America, South America, European, Africa, and Asia, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. All our staff at your service at any time.